So you bathe first. But what I would do, I would soak my body into the
Whoa.
bath, and then after I come out,
Whoa.
and I
Whoa.
pat
This is
dry,
a big
then
thunderstorm.
I rub on the
Big,
back.
with a lot of lightning and big ones too.
Then join the gym and whatever you have to do.
We're in the dark.
And then Monday.
Oh my God, that was a big one.
Oh, you're not rich?
On your chest, right in here?
No, I said, don't say no one soak your chest
No,
now.
no. Don't give me no big ones, please. I pray.
Penetrate to your chest. Okay, so not really like you have
So this is a big thunderstorm, guys. So yeah.
Oh, that is alarm for the thunderstorm. Let me run go on whatever until we can.
Yeah, this is a big thunderstorm. So alarm are going off, guys. So take cover, guys. This is a big thunderstorm, guys. So take cover.
No, but come on, in car.
God, guys, beware.
I listened to that rally today, and today I was trying to.
Guys, this is a big thunderstorm you ever had, I seen before though. Many of you probably seen a lot. The winds are very strong. The winds are very strong, guys. Beware. So yeah, beware. So yeah. Yeah, I'm coming. Be careful. Just be careful. Don't let no lightning struck you. Ooh.
Yeah,
This is not good. Electricity could go out. Oh my God. No. This can't be happening.
Alright, okay. Come on, chili Uber.
Okay.
Come on now, move.
Alright, so guys, that's it. So yeah, that's